Want to use your Cash App card on DoorDash? It's simple. First, ensure you have a funded Cash App account and either a physical or virtual Cash App Visa debit card. First, ensure you have a funded Cash App account and either a physical or virtual Cash App Visa debit card. Open your DoorDash app, navigate to Payment Methods, and select Add a Card. Enter your Cash App card details, card number, expiration date, and CVV. You might encounter a small, temporary charge for verification, which Cash App will refund. Make sure your Cash App account is in good standing. A suspended account will prevent linking. This integration uses standard Visa protocols, ensuring compatibility. For security, always enable two-factor authentication on both apps. Cash App imposes payment limits that impact DoorDash transactions. Unverified accounts have lower daily spending caps, around $250, while verified users can spend up to $7,500 per day. To increase your limit, verify your Cash App account with your SSN and photo ID. DoorDash doesn't charge extra fees for using Cash App cards, but keep transaction limits in mind, especially for large orders. Remember, payment limits are set by Block Inc. to combat fraud. If you hit a limit, consider upgrading to a verified Cash App account. Also, be aware of potential app glitches during peak times like holidays. By 2027, AI-driven verification may reduce linking times, but for now, ensure your card is valid and monitor your Cash App balance.